Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Alvan, and on today's tutorial I want to be showing you guys how I came about this awesome edit from something being like this to something being like this. So let's go to our capture one without wasting much of your time. So this is the image we want to work on. So first of all, I want to reset all these to remove all this. Okay, so first of all, I want to make another new layer by right clicking on this plus icon. Click on this new field adjustment layer. Then now we'll go to our exposure. First of all, I want to work on the temperature because the temperature here is really high. The warmness is too much, so we'll take it down to cool it off a bit. Okay, this is okay for me. So next we want to go to our exposure and take it up a bit. Now go down to our highlight and take it down. Then also let us take the brightness up. Okay, let's work on our blacks and shadows. Okay, let's take down our shadows. Okay, so this is after we did the exposure correction. This is after, this is before, this is after. So next we want to move on to the color grading. So move on that field adjustment layer, go to our color. So next we are going to go to our color editor under basics. Go to our yellows here. Let us play with our yellow. So I'll go to my yellows. Let me see which one will work for me. Okay, let us reduce the lightness of the yellows. Play with our hues a bit. Okay, this is okay for me. So next we're going to go to our skin tone correction. For that, we'll make another layer. Now we want to sample from a part we want to use to uniform the skin tone. So now we'll go to this our color picker tool here, click on it. Now we'll select an area that we want to use to blend it throughout the whole skin. So let me see. Okay, I need something not too bright, not too dark. Take it dark a bit. Okay, this is okay for me. So to see what we have selected, we want to click on this view selected color range. So you can see that we have selected the skin successfully, but the cloth or the model is being affected. So for us to remove that from the selection, and knowing that the color of the cloth is yellow, we're going to go to the slider here, take down the yellows. I can see that the yellows is removed successfully. Next, we want to go back and click on this views color selected color range. Now we want to zoom in and go to our uniformity slider, and let's see the magic. So we'll take this up to about 100%. So that's as you can see, as we took it to about 100%, or let me say we took it up to somewhere, you can see that the skin tone changed. Everything is now uniformed. So we can see adjust this a bit. Let's go to our amount. Let us take it to about 2.5. Then the lightness, let's see what we can do. Okay, this is okay. So now we're done. This is before we corrected the skin tone. This is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. So you can see that some areas of the models cloth is still being affected, like this other brownish area. So we can remove that selection by using our eraser tool to clean around it. So as we are removing it from these areas, we can see that it's bringing back the original color. Okay, now we're mostly going to go to the eyes because it's affecting the eyes seriously. So we use our eraser to use our zoom tool to zoom into the image. Also for the eyeshadow, use our hand to hold H on the keyboard. Click on the eraser tool and clean away the effect on the eyes. And the eyeshadow, let's zoom out and go to the lips. Move from the teeth, the lips, and any other places we don't want the effect to be applied on. So let's zoom out. So let's see our overall before and after. So this is before we did the correction, and this is after we did the correction. Let's see, the temperature is a bit too cool here. Let's make it warm. Let's make it warm a bit. No, this is too much. Too cool. Yeah, this is okay for me. So this is the before, this is the after, this is before, this is the after. Okay, now let me explain. The reason why it's not looking perfectly like this is because we're having to work on the skin. So what we're going to do next is take this image to Photoshop and work on it. And if you're interested in learning how I edited the image on Photoshop, just comment I'm interested in the comment section below. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It will really support the channel grow further. And also recommend the video to people who need it. Also share this video to others who you think might find it helpful and useful. So till the next video to come, keep on practicing your photography and make us photographers proud. Bye.